So how come you decided to transfer?
Well, I took a gap semester from Penn State. It got to be kind of like too much. There's a lot of people far away from my house, like a lot of big campus. So this is a lot better. I live about like 25 minutes away from here, so
oh, nice.
It works out pretty well. Yeah.
That's perfect.
So what kind of things are there to do on campus here?
The main thing I do is just club badminton.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm the president of astronomy club, so that's kind of my main thing I've been involved in here.
Interesting. Cool. That sounds cool. And then like when I move in, what's the whole living arrangement going to be like?
So Mike has a single, and it's a 3-person apartment, so you would need a double with me when you take AJ's spot.
Alright, perfect. I think this will work out well. I'm excited.
She still wants to come after eating.
Yeah. Oh, hey guys.
Hey.
So, how'd it go?
Good, it went pretty well. He seemed like a cool guy. We had some nice conversations.
I think he just said that Penn State wasn't working out for him, so he's transferred for his last 2 years.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
Hey, Tori!
Oh, hi, AJ.
Where are you going?
Where do you think I'm going? Class, yeah.
Oh, my roommates, they went to see, they met with the person that's gonna replace me when we go abroad. What's his name? Jack.
And did they find a winner?
They thought he was cool.
Oh, you're gonna be replaced.
Oh, yeah, right.
Soon enough, they're gonna forget that you even existed.
Maybe.
Are you excited for study abroad?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Have you started packing yet?
I have not started packing.
Well, I did. I literally just cannot wait to leave. It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey guys.
AJ.
Hey, AJ.
Nice to meet you. I'm the replacement.
Oh, gotcha.
Come on, we're just playing Mario Kart. You want to join?
I wish. I have too much work.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey.
I just want to let you know that I'm going home for the night. It's my mom's birthday.
Okay, cool. We're probably just gonna stay in for the night anyways.
Tell your mom we said happy birthday.
Will do.
I got it.
Hey, Mike. What's up?
Jack, how are you?
Good, you?
Good.
What's up, Ben?
Hey, what's up?
Where's AJ?
He went home for his mom's birthday.
Oh, that's nice. So we're just staying in tonight?
Yeah, we're just looking for a movie now.
Yeah. No, it's Friday night. Why don't we go out? We haven't done anything besides sitting around here playing video games. Why don't we actually go out and do something?
All right.
Good idea.
All right, let's go. It's unfortunate, but it's not scary. Hey, do you guys have like social media or anything like that?
I got Instagram. Yeah.
Really? You want to put that in?
Oh, sure. Thanks.
Cool. And how about AJ? Does he have anything?
He practically lives on Instagram.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get that from him then. I do not do it.
And it's late. I wish I had to bed soon.
Oh shit. I don't think I should drive. Can I like crash here?
Maybe take the couch.
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, AJ's not here. Why don't I just take AJ's bed? Like, I'm gonna be sleeping there in a month anyways, right?
I mean, I guess.
Yeah, I guess you probably wouldn't mind.
Sweet.
What are you doing?
Hey! I'm just making sure I'm in the right room, you know?
Gotcha.
AJ's name was in the paper.
Yeah. He does an internship for the paper.
Oh!
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool. Can you hit the lights, please?
Hey Ben.
Oh, hey. How's your mom's birthday?
Pretty good. Good to see family and stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop my stuff off. What was Jack doing in my bed?
Oh, we just went out last night and you didn't really feel comfortable driving home, so he took your bed.
That's weird.
But I did go in at one point and it was kind of weird. He was like looking.
Man! Fun time last night, huh? I'm gonna be heading out right now. What's up, AJ? Good to see you.
Hey.
I'm gonna head out, but it was good to see you. Good to hang out last night. We'll do this again. Oh, thanks for the hospitality.
Yeah. Hello?
AJ, you gotta check your email right now.
What?
I gotta go. I'll call you back.
Guess what? They just canceled my semester abroad.
Actually?
Yeah, actually, I just got an email. And it's just so ridiculous because we're 3 weeks away. I'm gonna be on campus now, so I didn't even register for classes, so I have to figure that out. It's just... I have to call my parents and tell them.
I guess that means we're gonna have to tell Jack that he's not gonna be able to room with us this year.
Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. I just feel like this is gonna be really awkward. Like I don't know what we're gonna tell him.
Yeah, I feel so bad. I don't know how we can say it. So he's not.
He's coming. He's coming.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Hey.
So, what's up? Why'd you need me?
So AJ's study abroad got canceled.
Okay.
So he's gonna be rooming with us next semester.
Oh. So, like, what am I supposed to do with that?
You're just gonna have to figure this out on your own. Sorry, I'm sorry, but
Yeah, well, I mean, we're really sorry. We wish it wasn't like this, but there's just really nothing else that we can do at this point.
Okay. All right. I'll figure that out.
we gotta go. I'm
Yeah, we
sorry.
gotta head out.
Sorry.
All right. Later.
And I already packed, so now I gotta unpack. This is what I get for doing things on time, really.
That's true. And you know, and the worst part is that they don't even tell us all the information. Like, I at least know why they're ruining my semester.
Oh, they did. They posted some bullshit thing on their Instagram page. Villanova Broad.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
Well, I can't even check it because I was locked out of my Instagram this morning, so I can't even look.
What does that mean, locked out of your Instagram?
Well, this morning I opened my phone to go on as usual, and then it says that my account doesn't exist, or that's. And you know, honestly, I was probably hacked.
Hacked? Who would want to hack you?
I don't know. But what a week I'm having.
What's up?
Oh, hey. Hey, guys.
Hey, AJ.
Why are we watching this? Can we put on the Sixers or something?
Do you mind if we just wait to the end of the inning?
Okay, if you want.
I think Pujols is up next.
You still playing?
Yeah, he just keeps going.
Hey Jack, you ever figure out what you're doing for housing next semester?
Oh, you guys said to figure it out by myself, so that's what I'm doing. Hey. You guys want to get some food or something?
So yeah, I fell asleep in my class. Worst day ever.
I bet you it's not worse than mine. I had an open book test this morning.
Wow,
So-
open book for you.
That's not it. That's not it. I walk out of my room and to go to the test. I realize I forgot my book, so I go back to the room, and my card doesn't work. I can't get into my room. None of my roommates are there, so I have to go to this open book test without the book. And so I probably failed because I didn't study. Meanwhile, everyone else probably got 100. So yeah, my card doesn't work. I can't get into my room. I can't get into other buildings. I can't do laundry. I can't.
Can you get meals?
No, I cannot. That's okay.
Okay.
It's just so messed up. And of course, this happens during the busiest week of the semester so far. That I'm locked out of Instagram, and then my card doesn't work. It's like, why does this keep happening to me?
Yeah, I mean, it could be worse. You could have fell asleep during class, so.
Hey, AJ.
Hey Jack, what were you doing here?
Oh, I had a meeting with someone about transferring, so I kind of got lost,
This is not an advising building.
Well, I guess I got the wrong building then,
What were you doing here?
Why are you asking so many questions? I think you should mind your business. Forget it, man. I'll talk to you later. So where's Mike at tonight?
Oh, well, he's just astronomy tonight.
Hey, AJ. How are you?
I could be better.
Yeah. So, how's your internship going?
I lost it. Really?
Well, that's a shame. Crap, I have to print something. Is there anywhere I can print on campus?
I could just give you my laptop, and then whenever you need a print, you can send it to the library.
Okay, perfect. Okay, then I just send in an email or something?
Yeah, I could type in the thing if you
Nah, I got it. Alright, perfect. I'm just gonna go pick this up, and that'll be that.
Alright, see ya.
Later.
It's Jack. It's been Jack all along. My Instagram, my card, now my internship. He's been sabotaging me this whole time. What? Yeah, and you know what? And he says he's going to the library now. Do you really believe that? He's not going there. I'm going to follow him.
I mean, he's done some weird stuff, but I'm sure he's actually going to the library.
No, I'm going anyway. I don't care.
AJ, I think you may have been right about Jack. Just do not follow him. Come back as soon as you can. I was looking at this stuff on the internet. I don't know if it's actually about him, but his phone had this weird background. I don't know if Jack's even his real name. It doesn't matter. Just come back. Do not follow him. Do not follow him, okay? All right, just come back as soon as you can. All right, bye.